we'll do a demonstration of the self-righting feature. Oh, that was great. You see how good it worked? Like all little sounds these little boats make. It's cool stuff. Alright, let's try to tip her. Okay, so basically once it's flipped over, it's out there, you can't get to it. Hit reverse, and then hit forward. And off it goes. This thing is ultra fast, especially for the price. I've had $300-400 boats that didn't seem much faster than this. And you're always worried about them overheating or breaking and losing them. So it wasn't much fun. This one's $115 repaired.